This is the Woffit Underbed Shoe Storage Organizer. And check it out. You can fit up to 24 shoes in this 2-pack set. It folds down to this size when not in use. This is great for adults and children too. These are made of breathable canvas material that won't retain odors. It has 2 sturdy handles on both sides, so you can use it for transportation as well as pulling it out from under your bed. This really is heavy duty. It also has strong zippers to hold everything in place. The transparent plastic window on top is awesome. You can easily spot the shoes that you want to wear for the day. This is perfect for bedroom organization, or if you're moving, or for seasonal storage too. This is available in black or beige. Thank you, Woffit, for sending this to me for evaluation purposes and for my opinion. I really love it. Something that I really like, it's smaller than the traditional shoe storage racks. And it also protects from dirt and dust too. This measures 32 inches wide by 25 inches deep and 6 inches tall. This organizer should be slim enough to fit under most beds. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.